Hi guys, it's Julie from cookedbyjulie.com and today we're making Pollo Guisado, a Puerto Rican chicken stew packed with flavor and super easy to make. The bone-in chicken literally falls off the bone and the potatoes are absolutely fork tender. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is season the chicken. I used adobo, sazon, salt, and pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. The exact recipe along with more detail can be found over on my blog, cookedbyjulie.com. I use bone-in skin-on chicken, and I highly recommend using legs and thighs for this recipe. Make sure to season it under the skin, and do keep in mind that the sazon and adobo contain salt, so don't add too much salt. Just a little bit, to taste. Heat some oil in a large pot and you want to brown the chicken skin side down first for 3 to 4 minutes on each side over medium-high heat. Work in batches, don't overcrowd the pan. Remove the chicken from the pot and add the onions and peppers. Cook the onions and peppers for 2 to 3 minutes or until translucent. And then go ahead and add the fresh minced garlic, sofrito, and tomato paste. Sofrito is just a blend of fresh vegetables, so you don't really need to add onions and garlic, but I like a combination of both blended and diced. Just adds more flavor. Go ahead and season this with a pinch of salt, add the tomato sauce and bay leaf, let it simmer for 1 minute, and then add the chicken and water. You want to cover it and cook for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes are up, go ahead and add the potatoes and olives. Cover and cook for 20 minutes, so a total of 40 minutes, but not including the browning of the meat and sauteing the vegetables. But just make sure the chicken is fully cooked through and the potatoes are fork tender. Check for seasoning, of course, and then you want to uncover it and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the sauce thicken a bit. Listen here, I thought the thickness of my sauce was perfect, but if you want it really thick, remove the chicken, potatoes, and olives and increase the heat to high. Let the sauce reduce by half, uncovered. No flour or cornstarch needed. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley and enjoy with some white rice and avocado salad. Delicious. Make this recipe. Let me know if you do. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching.